What up though? Adriane Mays, how to make amends, 3 strategies in the past, the present, the future. Day 41 in the Billionaire in the Making journey. Adriane Mays, AI genius. What up though? Welcome back to the Billionaire in the Making journey. And today is day 41. We're diving into something truly transformative. We're talking about making amends with people from our past, present, and future, including ourselves. Change starts with consistently forgiving yourself for past failures and putting in the will, effort, and activity to be better every single day. No more bad days. Now, maybe you'll have your brief moments, and that's okay. Forgive yourself. It's okay to cry. Emotion is a transition of growth, and move on. The beautiful things God has in store for you come when you're ready to work on the imperfect design of perfection within you. Mother's Day is amazing. Father's Day is even awesome, but every day is special, and you also need to celebrate yourself every single day. Be the best you can be, so when God is ready and He taps you on your shoulder, you're ready for the call. So today, I'll share 3 powerful ways to make amends with people in your life and yourself. So let's get started with how to get that done. So first, making amends with the past. This means acknowledging your mistakes and seeking forgiveness from those you've hurt. It's about taking responsibility and showing genuine remorse. But remember, it also involves forgiving yourself. Let go of the guilt and learn from your past to avoid repeating it. Meeting people where they are. You might be ready, but they may not. Second, making amends in the present. This is about actively maintaining healthy relationships mentally, physically, emotionally, spiritually. Being open and be honest with those around you because you deserve the best at all times. Apologize when you're wrong, but strive to be better, consistently showing effort and willingness to change. Education and making that huge difference in your current relationship. And third, making amends for the future. This involves setting intentions to be a better person, moving forward consistently, creating a legacy of kindness, understanding, and forgiveness. Work on yourself daily, knowing that each step you take is paving the way for a better future, a brighter future, especially when you have Power Rangers behind you. So I deserve the best, my friends, and so do you. And I am amazing and working on myself every single day. This billionaire in the making, I can, I will, I must let my legacy that God has set before me to be the best and trust it. Build from it and let go of the past mistakes, the past relationships of pain to prevent history from repeating itself. The only way you get better is growth in your empowerment, your innovation, your modeling, and your design. So let's celebrate ourselves every day. Be the best you can be. Be ready when God is calling. Forgive yourself, forgive others, and move forward with grace and determination. Thank you for joining me on day 41 of the Billionaire in the Making journey. Rest in heaven, Jabari Weston. Remember, change starts within. I'm Adriane Mays, and together we're building a future filled with hope, success, and possibilities. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share more transformative content and information. And today, Jabari Weston, rest in heaven, my little cousin. I love you. Your legacy lives on within me. Adriane Mays, AI genius. I can, I will, I must. Let's go. Deuces.